Hello, welcome back. So, in this part, we will discuss the uses of concrete, where concrete is used, and I will show you some application of concrete in different fields. So, concrete have been widely used in building various structures. Say, if we talk about the modern practice, so high strength concrete has been used in many tall buildings and in their construction also. So there in the photo you can see in Hong Kong, concrete of strength 80 MPa was utilized in the column of the tallest building, which is present in that region. As shown in the figure, you can see this building is of 88 story and the height of the building is 415 meter. Dams are also the other popular applications where we use concrete. We use mass concrete basically. So if I give you the reference of dams, the first major concrete dams were Hoover Dam and Grand Coulee Dam that are basically present in the USA. So there concrete was used in a very huge quantity and they were built in 1930s. And if we talk about in India, the largest dam is Bhakra Nangal Dam, and it is located in the Himachal Pradesh. Concrete is also used in high-speed railway networks. Delhi Metro is the classic example of modern concrete uses, and in the upcoming year, high-speed rails are also planned in India. So they will also be constructed using the concrete. Concrete is also used in a very important structure called tunnels. So there you can see concrete is used in the construction of this tunnel. This tunnel is basically located in Jammu and Kashmir. And beside this, concrete is used in other structures such as runways, airport runway, highways, pipelines, oil platform. Oil platform are also known as offshore platform. So in all those structures, concrete is used. So in the next part, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the concrete. Thank you.